Hello everyone, in this class, I will introduce the basic operations of robots to you. First, the power aviation plug and communication aviation plug of the robot control cabinet have been correctly connected to the robot body. Turn on the power supply of the control cabinet. Release the emergency stop state. After powering on, click on the area within the blue box below. Check for any abnormal alarm information. For example, blue is a type of prompt information, yellow is warning information, red is alarming information. When the robot emits alarms in red or yellow, we should deal with the alarms first, otherwise the robot won't be able to move. Next, we will power on the servo driver of the robot. The state before powering on. The state after powering on. The deadman button has two positions. You need to gently press the button to the first position. Press the deadman button to release the brake of the servo motor. The state before the brake is released. The state after the brake is released. We can move the robot in conjunction with the coordinate and the motion button. Move in the positive direction of the J1 axis. Move in the positive direction of the J1 axis. Move in the positive direction of the J2 axis. Move in the negative direction of the J2 axis. Move in the positive direction of the J3 axis. Move in the negative direction of the J3 axis. Move in the positive direction of the J4 axis. Move in the negative direction of the J4 axis. Move in the positive direction of the J5 axis. Move in the negative direction of the J5 axis. Move in the positive direction of the J6 axis. Move in the negative direction of the J6 axis. Switch to the base coordinate system. Move in the positive direction of the x-axis. Move in the negative direction of the x-axis. Move in the positive direction of the y-axis. Move in the negative direction of the y-axis. Move in the positive direction of the z-axis. Move in the negative direction of the z-axis. Rotate in the positive direction of the x-axis. Rotate in the negative direction of the x-axis. Rotate in the positive direction of the y-axis. Rotate in the negative direction of the y-axis. Rotate in the positive direction of the z-axis. Rotate in the negative direction of the z-axis. The introduction of the basic operations of the robot is completed. Thank you all.